Here's a quick sound test of the Air4 Lite. This is the light one. Okay, this is the Air4. So this is the regular version of the Air4. This one had high-res audio and LDAC on the Lite. This one has ANC, and also the Pro has ANC. And of course, this is the Pro. This is the only one out of the bunch that is a in-ear. The rest of these are the pod style that kind of just hang on the outside of your ear. As you can see, there's no rubber tip, whereas with this one there is a rubber tip. The Pro gets 26 hours of playtime. The regular has also 26 hours of playtime, and that's probably because of the noise cancellation. And the Lite gets 30 hours of playtime because it does not have ANC. So that's in a nutshell. There'll be a review for this one up. These reviews are already up. They all sound good. Even though these are on the outside of the ear, they still have some good bass. So we'll be discussing this one as well. Really nice pearl color. These also come in white as well. Thank you so much for watching.